Here we go. I love it when meat comes to my door. Thanks to the people at Good Chop, Matt, for sending me this trial product of meat. Want to waste any time? Let's go and open it up. And our dog is wanting to help. Hopefully he doesn't help too much. All right, what do we got? It came overnight shipped. Priority. Actually, hang on, let's move that dog. He's gonna be a pain. All right, as I was saying, this came overnight. So it was shipped out yesterday night, like midnight. It got here within 18 hours. And obviously this is very, very well packaged in here. As you can see, a lot of dry ice that still definitely has yet to thaw. All right, what do we got? Got a beef porterhouse steak. That's awesome. We got some cod. Can't wait. We got some bavette. I want to say those are actually similar to picanha. Those look incredible. Kind of see some of the marbling action going on in there, which is great. Oh, this is like Christmas. Two beautiful ribeyes. Now it does say USDA choice, but looking at that, I mean, it looks like a very, very high marbled choice. And this meat is very good meat, not the stuff you're gonna find at the grocery counter. That is for sure. 3, well maybe actually 6 amazing wild caught sockeye salmon. I love salmon. And then 2 beautiful filet mignons. I do love filet mignon. Okay, we're gonna be eating good now. I'm gonna set it all out on the counter and see what we all have all told. We got the bavette, 2 bavette steaks, 2 filet mignons, 1 beautiful porterhouse, 2 ribeye steaks. I'd say, gosh, it's probably at least 8 different pieces of cod and 6 pieces of salmon. Can't wait to get these things out of the package, thawed and cooked up. This was a quick unboxing video from the meat from Good Chop. Again, thanks to Matt for sending this to me here at Smokewood Barbecue. If you want to go check out their menu, what they have to offer, I'll leave a link in the description. Again, I'm not getting paid anything for it. It is just for me to try out their products and showcase, say what I think about it. I'm thinking it's going to be pretty good. Anyway, thank you for watching, everybody. Stay tuned next week. We're going to be cooking up these, keep cooking up at least one of these, maybe 2. We'll see. Maybe we'll surf and turf action, which sounds absolutely incredible. Keep watching, everybody. Have a great Saturday. And as always, keep barbecuing America. Cheers.